Welcome back with us on Reporters Diary. On to our special monthly discussion on the developments as far as Deal Street went during the month of October this time. And a report from data compiler Thornton shows that deal activity actually slowed down in India during the month. Lahiri, partner transaction advisory services at Thornton, now joining us to discuss the details. So Raja, how do the numbers stack up for October?
Yeah, October I think, is a very similar month as September. Overall, $2.3 billion of deals, M&A and private equity, out of which around $1.5 billion of M&A and $800 million of private equity. So across sectors, I would say around 74 deals happened in this month. Compared to October 2012 was clearly slowed down, as I've said in the previous episodes as well.
Right, but sectorally, what really stood out as far as deals go, and what would be that one key deal that was in the limelight as far as October went?
See, from a deal perspective, in October, ONGC Videsh bought an asset investment in the Brazilian oil field, basically $100.5 billion of investment. That was the largest deal as far as M&A is concerned. There was another interesting deal of Quality Healthcare. Fortis selling his Hong Kong asset to a UK-based medical player, a $300+ million transaction. So that's on the M&A side. From the private equity side, we saw a very interesting deal in the real estate space where Redford Capital invested $160 million in a developer, and Flipkart raising another $150 million of fundraise from a clutch of investors. So that's as far as the deals goes, the top deals in this month.
Right, and what's the outlook, Raja, going forward as far as Deal Street goes? Do we see a pickup in the second half of the year? What really is the verdict?
I feel it's actually muted, a little moderated at this moment. I think it's again in conjunction with what we have seen in the economy. I think the good news is we are clearly seeing a lot of diligences being done on transactions, which means deals are cooked and diligences are being done. It's of course taking a lot of time to complete the deals, but I don't see immediate upswing in the deal momentum soon. See moderation, but again across sectors like private equity, we've seen a lot of interesting deals happen, and the larger funds will continue to put bets on the Indian growth story, in my view.
Right, Raja, we'll leave you with that. Thanks so much. So that's, of course, the Thornton deal tracker for the month of October, and that's the outlook for the second half of the year as far as Deal Street is concerned. Well, with that, we're going to wrap up Reporters Diary, but stay tuned. Markets Today, straight ahead.